Today I have an interesting one for you. I've got a 2016 Ford Ranger here, a T6. Okay, so this car came in with two window winders not working and this motor is faulty. So let me just show you quickly what is the problem here. Okay, so we pulled out this motor and as you can see in there we have water damage on a 2017, which is not really acceptable. Ford, come on guys, you can do better than this. There is a seal for it, but the water is bypassing the seal, as you can see there. So that's completely worn out from the water damage. And eventually it got stuck and shorted out. Water accumulates on this part here, and then as you wind the cable up and down for your window to work, it brings water into this casing. And then your gears is sitting over there and it transfers the water into the motor casing all the way down here where this thing sits. And this seal is actually keeping the water in. So it does seal it if water comes down here, but not if it's coming from the inside. So from Ford, that motor cost $3,850 excluding VAT, and as of today, 23rd of March, Ford don't even have stock, so they have to order it from the factory. So my suggestion is to get a second-hand one, and then preferably before you purchase it, inspect it. Ask the breakers or the scrapyard to open it up for you, because there is a chance that you have the same problem there, because this is obviously an issue. Firstly, the design of the cable bringing the water in and then bringing it down, and then also the angle that the motor is sitting. If they would have just turned it sideways, it would have been a better design. So Ford, there's one for you. Have a nice day. Subscribe if you want to get more advice on this type of problems and also on auto electrical components and ECUs.